My name is Traci Newkirk, and I own a company called Intellectual Capital. But about 5 years ago, we began a division called unSTUCK. And what we are trying to do is help people to get unstuck in their thinking. And that's proved to be very advantageous right now in the workforce. I'm super excited about the summit. I'm passionate about people, and what I find is that most people are getting stuck in their thinking. And so if I could come and bring some type of help for them to get out of this downward spiral that people often get into. You know, I see and hear a story, I tell myself what to think and feel, and then I act in a way that's unproductive in the workforce. And I feel like if I could come in and give some help or some insight into that it could really inspire and change our community. So I'm very excited about that opportunity. What I like to talk about is how to get unstuck in your thinking, and I'm hoping to give the practitioners 3 different ways in order to approach conversations. One of those ways has to do with the story that we're telling ourselves. And you see, our emotions are plastic. We often don't realize that, and so we're acting and reacting in the workforce and not really taking time to understand how our emotions are driving us. And so I want to give them some strategies in order to help them with their emotions. Oh man, I can't wait to hear them. I really can't wait to just sharpen my effectiveness in dealing with people. I want to be inclusive, both as an entrepreneur as well as a vibrant participant of the Greenville community. You know, I've been looking as an entrepreneur all these different conferences to attend, and so I've got airfare and the conference fee and hotels. And I feel so fortunate that Greenville is bringing such top quality diversity of thought into our area. I can stay at home, I can eat my own food, I can get up and have my smoothies in the morning and then pay this very affordable price and come and hear quality people that I would have to pay a lot more money for to go and hear.